Oh, Harley, get the ball. Yeah, it's heavy when it's wet, eh, Harley? Ready, Harley? You got a new ball here. Old beat up basketball. You can't chew it. You can't get your mouth on it. It's not totally full of air. Ready, Harley? Here we go. Woohoo! That was good, Harley. See, she can't really bite it. Once she gets it in the water, she can't really lift it up in the air. She doesn't know that. Get it up in the air, Harley. Come on, come on. Get it up in the air. Don't run into the fence. Oh. Woohoo! Yeah, that was a good one.